Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. So nice to meet you, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today we are getting it all done. This is an ultimate clean with me, cleaning almost every room in the house. The only two things I did not clean this day were the boys' room and their bathroom, but other than that, everything got done. And oh gosh, there's Coco, my doggy. But anyways, if you guys are here for some cleaning motivation and want to get things done with me, then please keep on watching. So I love to always start in my kitchen. I feel like it's the center of everything. So I like to get it done here to kind of really motivate me. And I always like to start in my center island because, like I've said before, it's our clutter space and it's just easy for everyone to toss everything on here. For my countertops, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the lilac scent. It smells so good, perfect for summertime. And then once I cleaned this countertop, I lit my candle. I actually bought this because of TikTok, but it smells really, really good. So good. It really makes my home smell really good. And I was actually shocked of the power of it because I usually stick with Bath & Body Works, but this one smells really good. So if you're on the hunt, this is the one I recommend. And then I moved on to the left side of my kitchen sink, which all my clean dishes are in, and I started to put those away.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah.
So next I'm cleaning my sink. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and the rose scent along with some Dawn antibacterial soap.
Getting closer to just being nothing else.
On to the dishes, and I didn't have too many dishes this day. This is actually a little bit compared to how many I have, but I do hand wash my dishes, and as I am rinsing them off, I will place them on the left side of my kitchen sink to dry off.
Toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Onto my stove, just spraying everything down, still using that Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I'm not really doing too much of a deep cleaning because I have been cleaning the stove every time I cook, so it wasn't too bad.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe.
And I have to clean my refrigerator each time because the boys are always opening and closing it, especially right now since we've all been home. So this is a daily that I have to do. And then I'm moving on to the entryway table, just kind of giving it a quick wipe down.
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted.
So next I swept the kitchen, and do not come for me. I know my broom is tiny. we actually just got one over the weekend. So for my next video, you'll see the new broom, but just sweeping everything and just tidying up and cleaning the floor before I go in and mop.
We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we're lost.
For my floors, I'm using my O-Cedar bucket and mop, and since I ran out of my Mr. Clean floor cleaner, I am using warm water, a little bit of dish soap, and a cap full of Clorox.
Lost in the end, out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a lie ain't easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go. I feel everything inside me changes all over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is tainted. Yeah, tainted. We're running.
So onto the dining area. I had cleaned after breakfast, so it wasn't too bad here, but still just giving it a quick wipe down because the boys do snack on here throughout the day.
Yeah, we left here without love.
So moving on to Luna's high chair, I actually just ordered this floor mat that you see under her high chair. It's really helpful because instead of her dropping all her food onto the floor, it kind of all just lands here, and then I just toss it in the trash. It's been super easier to clean up all her mess since I've gotten it. So if you guys are on the lookout for anything like this or on the market, I will link it down below for you guys. It's been a lifesaver for us.
We're out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. Remember when you told me you believe.
And then the last thing I did was sweep and mop the dining room.
Pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim.
Now on to the office space. I actually have been using this room a lot lately. I use it for work, I've been using it for editing, I've been using it to do my makeup, get ready, so it was quite messy. The desk was, but everything else was pretty kept in place, so just kind of picking up everything off the desk and wiping it down. And then the last thing I did was go in with my shark vacuum and vacuum the office.
This is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system.
And then the final thing I did was go in with this room freshener from Mrs. Meyer's and just give everything a nice little splash of scent. And then on to the living room, and there is my husband playing video games and keeping me company. But all I did was start off on the couch, just kind of fix the pillows, fold the blankets. It hasn't really been too messy because since we've all been home, we've all been doing our part and really trying to clean a little bit each day. So thankfully it wasn't too bad here.
Be the heat, be what I desire. Go ahead, go and breathe your fire.
And then moving on to the coffee table, still using that same Mrs. Meyer's spray to wipe everything down.
Go ahead, go and give me more. Yeah, anyone will love a good boy. And it takes one to tell who's bad girl, bad girl. Yeah, all you really want's a good girl, good girl. And all I really crave is bad boy, bad boy. Dynamite, you're loving my 3 a.m. mind. We can do it right. We can do it right. Fire and ice.
So have any of you noticed yet that I chalk painted our fireplace? I'm telling you, this quarantine is making me do projects that I don't need to do. But do you guys like it better in the white, or did you guys like it better before? I had it like different colors before, black, white, gray, but I really like it in white. I feel like it stands out a lot more. And then also giving the living room a quick spray with the room freshener. And now on to the bathroom. I had to put my hair up for this because I was already sweating and I didn't want my hair to go into the toilet. So starting off just kind of by clearing everything off and putting everything in its place. And for the mirrors, I am using the Method glass cleaner. And then for the sink and the toilet, I'm using the Method antibacterial spray. And then for the toilet, I'm using the Lysol cleaner.
All you really want's a good girl, good girl. And all I really crave is bad boy, bad boy. Dynamite, you're loving my 3 a.m. mind. We can do it right. We can do it right. Fire and ice. Yeah, hands down, you're my favorite kind. Give me one more time. 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 Give me one more time.
And then the last thing I did was sweep and mop it up. Now moving on to Luna's room. Her room was actually not too bad because we do play in here every day. So I like to pick up her toys when we're done playing with them. So it wasn't too bad in here. Just kind of picking up things here and there and then wiping down her dresser.
Give me one more
And now moving on to our bedroom, I had just washed the sheets, so just putting those on the mattress and getting the bed done. And then I'm just going to wipe down our little nightstands, still using the Lilac Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. And then the last thing I did was vacuum, and then I went back in with the lilac spray to give everything a nice little scent. And then we have this mirror in our hallway that had Luna's little fingerprints all over it, so wiped that down and then swept and mopped our hallway. And you guys know that I love to have plants in my home, so these new babies are getting added to the family. So just giving them a quick water before I put them in their forever home. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video, this ultimate cleaning video, and I hope you guys found some motivation from it. I truly appreciate you for taking the time out of your busy day to come and spend some time with me and clean with me. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm so thankful for you guys and for watching my videos. It really means a lot to me, and it does not go unnoticed, all of the support that you guys have been showing me. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Again, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that I can continue to film these videos for you guys. Again, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.